brigands, robbers, burglars, intruders, whatever you call them, we're all a little bit fearful of somebody breaking into our home. But installing a burglar alarm system is traditionally not the easiest thing to do. Boundary, a new smart home burglar alarm system that is going to change the way that we install and use burglar alarms. I'm going to be installing it here at my own house. In here we've got our sensors and fobs. Voila. Contact sensors. So these look pretty neat actually. The next box is the hub. So this is sort of the brain of the operation. And then we've got the sirens. Now these look really cool, super nice quality. And again, these work wirelessly. This is the amazing thing. Usually for a conventional alarm system, you need to hardwire all of these items, which is ridiculously expensive. So first step is to set up the hub. So we just literally plug it in. That then, the cable kind of tucks in there, and then this just clicks in. Super easy. So now we compare it with the app by putting in this code. Okay, here we go. So sensors and fobs. So now we've got all our motion sensors and all our door sensors paired up and everything seems to be working. We're going to do continue with setup. And now it tells us to pair the sirens. So the finishing touch, everything's paired up, all working good. So now let's arm it and see if Ruben, who's never done anything bad in his life, can be a villain today and break into my house. I just want to hear how loud these things are when they go off. Alarm is armed. Go for it, Mr. Burglar. That is loud. That is pretty impressive. So how would I sum up this boundary alarm system? Well, ultimately it has all the features of a traditional alarm system in terms of high level of security, but it's super easy to install. I'd say it's a great solution for the modern day house where you don't want to be running in loads of cables after the event, but rather you want a high security system which is going to protect you and your family. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.